Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell para sa aking mga most updated video. For today, I'm gonna show you my bag collection that I collected over the years. It's not just one day or months. It's for years. I actually like collecting bags, jewelry, shoes, and perfume. So, nasa likod yung mga collection ko and I'll show it to you one by one. Some of them are really precious for me kasi pag gusto ko kasi isang bagay, pinag-iipon ako talaga. Okay, so the first bag that I'm gonna show you is actually my Gucci bag. My husband bought it for me, I think way back 2013. So, itong bag na to, siguro it was cost like almost $1,000 noong 2013. Pero we bought it for $700, diba? Kabisado ko pa kung magkano yung presyo. Pero I like this bag kasi ang ganda niya. Until now, this is a 7 years old bag. Imagine. Pero ano pa siya? Mukha pa siyang bago. And just to let you know, itong mga bags na to actually, I kept all the boxes at saka yung mga kanilang dust bag. I'm not selling it for the future, that's why. Pero sinesave ko siya kasi natutuwa lang ako, especially sa mga boxes, okay? So, the next thing I'm gonna show you is actually my Tory Burch. Ayan, Tory Burch. Diba, para siyang tea. So, ayan, Tory. And actually, kasama nung binili ko yan, itong kanyang wallet. I really like it kasi blue is one of my favorite color and I like white. So, at least, very spacious siya. Malaki. Siguro pa rin siyang gamitin for summer. Tapos, I also have this, which I'm usually using most of the time. Kasi, just by itself, pwede mo na siyang dalhin. Yan. Malaki rin siya. Marami rin siyang space. I like Tory Burch kasi magaganda rin yung mga style nila. The next one that I'm gonna show to you, actually Prada. I love Prada, pero meron akong isang item na gustong-gusto ko na bag. Kaso, hindi ko siya nabili-bili. Pero this one, I bought it actually kasi para pang night out. So, it's like this. I don't know if you will notice sa aking vlog, lahat ng video ko na actually, lahat ng bag ko, I like Transformer bag. So, this one, and then, you can do it as a handbag like this or all the way like that. Tapos, meron din siyang, natuwa ako sa kanya, naaliw ako kasi meron siyang key. Diba? Meron siyang dalawang key and then you can actually lock the bag. Tapos, pag binuksan mo siya, ganyan. Diba? Black and white. I told you, I like white. I really like white. Tapos, ganyan lang siya. So, pwede siyang pang night out. Ang ganda niya. And of course, the dust bag, I still have the dust bag. So, yan yung itsura niya. The next one that I'm gonna show you is actually one of my favorite bag. Bukod sa sabi ko nga, I like Transformer bag. When I said Transformer, you can handle like this or it could be a shoulder bag. So, itong Louis Vuitton Bando, I think it's Bando. I don't know if I pronounce it right. So, Transformer siya. Meron siyang ganyan. This is very classic. Until now, it's still available sa Louis Vuitton store. And this, I think parang gusto kong bilhin lahat ng kulay niya. Pero I keep holding on myself kasi wag naman, di ba? So, this, actually, I love this bag. I have this for almost 3 years or 4 years now. 5 years, I think. Or 3 years. Pero mukha pa rin siyang bago. That's how I took care of my bag. Kasi medyo pricey ang mga name brand na bag. So I make sure na I took care of my bag. Kung kailangang dalhin sa bag spa, then I'll do it para naman malinis sila. Kasi para naman worth the money. Kasi syempre I have 2 girls. So next time I can pass it on to them. So this bag is actually my favorite bag. So I love this bag so much. The next bag that I'm showing you is also my favorite. Lahat favorite ko, no? Siyempre, whenever I buy my bags, kasi gusto ko sila. And then this one, it's another Louis Vuitton. Yung kulay niya, I love the color and it's also classic. Wala na nito sa store. I have this for a long time. Medyo mahirap nga lang siya kapag kinicarry mo siya kasi pa ganyan. Pero I really like this bag because of the leather. Kasi yung isang pinakita ko kanina, it's a canvas. This is a leather. So, matibay talaga siya. I think eto kailangan ko nandalhin siya sa spa, bag spa. So, this is really nice. It's not the classic of Louis Vuitton. Hindi rin siya monogram. So, the leather is really nice. Ilang beses ko na ito natapunan actually. Even sa loob siya, leather siya. Ilang beses ko na siya natapunan. Pero okay pa rin naman siya. So, I really like this bag too. The next bag that I'm showing naman, itong aking Burberry. Hindi ko na masabi blueberry, but it's Burberry. Okay. So, ito naman, it's a shoulder bag. Actually, binigay ko na to sa anak ko. It's, all my bag, it's look new, pero matatagal na sila. It's because I took, inaalagaan ko talaga sila maigi. So, ito naman, through the years, hindi rin kumukupas yung kanyang kulay. Maganda pa rin siya, and it's pink. So, diba, pag suotin mo lang siya ng, pwedeng pang summer, ang ganda lang ng bag na to. So, ayan, kulay pink siya. I love the small bags at some of the brand na pinang-araw-araw ko, it's Kate Spade or Tory Burch. Also, ginagamit ko rin yung mga ibang bag ko every day. Like this one is the Kate Spade. Ang cute niya, di ba? O, para siyang bunny. Tapos, actually, binigay ko na to sa anak ko kasi para siyang wallet on chain. Ayan, meron pa kasi hindi ginagamit. So, wala, nakalagay lang to dun sa closet niya. Pero this is my bag and then I just gave it to her para naman I mean, sa mga bata, syempre, wag naman masyadong mamahalin. So, Kate Spade, pero she barely used this. Ang cute niya, di ba? That's what I like about Kate Spade. There are very creative. Iba-iba yung mga nagagawa nilang design. Kaya, ang ganda. Iba-iba kada season. So, minsan kasi, I like to go sa mga outlet. Kasi, ang Kate Spade, Tory Burch, they have outlet that you can buy here in US. So, mas cheaper price, although not as cheap as Pilipinas siguro. I think mas mahal sa Pilipinas or sa ibang part. Pero dito sa US, since meron kaming mga outlet, so, minsan, makakakuha ka ng discounted. Some of them, especially for Kate Spade, 75% off. Ang next na ipapakita ko sa inyo, hindi siya bag. It's actually the Prada. Yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo yung Prada, I bought this together with that bag. And this Prada, di ba, nasa lalagyan pa. I told you guys. And it looks brand new. Etong Prada na to, para na siyang clutch. Ayan, may laman pa siya sa loob. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And it's leather also. I don't know what's the name of this wallet. Pero this wallet is, oh ayan, meron pang laman na pera. Ganyan. Para lang siyang envelope. Para siyang envelope, and then sometimes I just carry it like this. I don't have to wear a bag. Ito lang okay na kasi lahat pwede ko nang, I mean, I can carry my phone. Pero ito, at least, hawakan ko lang na ganyan. Okay na, di ba? Okay, this next bag, it's so cute. This is a Chloe. Ayan. I love the color. Para siyang tan na orange. And I love it kasi pag summer, tapos parang nagbe-blend sa kulay mo. I mean, I'm not that light. So, nagbe-blend siya sa kulay ko. Yung mga bag ko, actually, nilalagyan ko siya ng mga insert para hindi ma-deform. Etong bag na to, although it's full leather, pero syempre iniingatan ko kasi minsan 'di ba yung leather nagiging super soft niya, soap talaga. Yun na. So minsan iniingatan ko siya, tapos all of these bags para na lang lagi na lang merong price increase. So minsan magugulat ka, you bought it for this price and then later on nag-level up na yung kanilang mga price. Although maganda talaga and very dependable ang mga branded names, that's the one thing na gusto ko kasi yung iba mag-sale man pero it's not dropping, tapos it can last longer. mostly of my bags, as I've said, I've collected it over the years. Mukha siyang brand new, pero hindi siya brand new. So this Chloe is my first Chloe. I'm still wanna collect bigger size and different style ng Chloe kasi maganda rin yung kanilang leather. The next bag is my Louis Vuitton. Ito medyo nahirapan ako. It's a struggle for me to get this bag. Kasi I don't know kung sa iba ha, pero dito sa US, I bought this bag last year. This favorite, sorry. Meron pa siyang, actually this is my bando. Pero, I've been looking for this bag. I even look for, we even have personal shopper that's based in New York. Pero hindi ko, last time she told me, hey Rose, you have to hurry up kasi there's only one bag available. So, but then, that time, hindi ko siya nabili. So, when I went to Neiman Marcus here in San Diego, actually, I'm nasa waitlist ako. And there's a lot of people are in the waitlist. And for me, I'm like, I just take chances kasi sabi kong ganun, I really like this bag. So, if it's meant for me, it's meant for me. So what I did, you have, when you do a reservation or waitlist, you have to put your credit card or your debit card or whatever card you have, and so that kapag meron ng available, ang gagawin nila is tatawagan ka nila and then isa-swipe na nila yung card, i-charge na nila yung card mo. So this one, actually my auntie asked me about this. She's like, when she saw me wearing this just last month, sabi ng tita ko, where did you get the bag? Kasi she's been looking for this also. And I told her the story. Sabi ko, I'm just so lucky kasi discontinue na to. And meron na silang ibang design. Pero I like this bag. This is actually very simple bag. The only thing that I don't like here is flap siya. May magnet lang siya. So minsan feeling ko hindi secure. Pero you can wear it dress up or kahit anong dress mo. Jeans or dress. This is such a nice bag. I love this bag and I will not get it anymore, so I have to really take care of this. There you go. The next bag that I'm showing to you is my siguro third sa favorite ko. It's my Chanel. Ito hindi ko ganong ginagamit. If you were to ask me why, I just don't know. Maybe because of the color or I'm not sure. Pero I love this bag. It's just that I don't have any occasion to wear it. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya susuotin. Minsan sinusuot ko siya kasi medyo mabigat. Medyo mabigat, pero this is my collection and I love my bags. See, meron din akong insert, mga papel-papel para lang hindi siya ma-deform. And all my bag actually has authenticity nila para talagang alam mong authentic siya. So, yan. Minsan, kwento ko lang. Minsan, nadumihan ko siya. My mom cooked menudo. And I was so worried. I'm like, oh my God, yung bag ko. Pero, okay pa naman siya. Like this kind of leather, kailangan ingatan mo rin. Diba? Ayan siya. Ganyan siya. And as I've said, pwede mo rin siyang gawin ganyan. O, transformer. Kailangan lagi tayong transformer, o diba? Ang cute din niya. Ayan. Very classic ang design. Although may kalakihan. Siguro that's why. And just to let you know, lahat ng bag ko actually, hindi ko pinupuno. If I'm going somewhere, I have another bag. My husband will tell me, ano ba yan? Ilang bag ba kailangan mo? Pero you know what? Hindi ko siya inano, especially if it is branded or very luxury bag kasi para namang kinakawawa mo yung bag. Sorry, mahal ko yung mga bag ko eh. So, I do take care of my bag. Di bali nang mag-carry ako ng isa pang bag. Basta, hindi siya ganong mabigatan. Next bag that I'm gonna show you is actually my favorite bag. Talagang ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. I wanted more, pero I'm okay, satisfied na ako dito sa bag na to. It's actually my Hermes Garden Tote. And it's the color of the Hermes. So, gustong-gusto ko siya talaga. And then I just bought this Willy. Actually, it's supposed to be, I can use this for summer or I can use this for Thanksgiving na fall, di ba? Ayan. So, ayan, it's the medium. I think this is medium. It's all leather. It's all leather, so you have to be careful when using this. Pero I really like this bag, especially pag nakadress ako. You can wear it with white, black, or even yellow, diba? Or even purple actually. Kasi it matches nga, ito may purple, oh. And I actually like putting twilly on this. That twilly can go in there or pwede siyang ganyan. So, ang ganda niya. This is the most precious bag that gustong-gusto ko talaga itong bag na to. As in, super duper gusto ko itong bag na to. So ayun. And feeling ko ang bango-bango pa rin niya kahit medyo matagal ko na siya nasa akin. So, ayan ang mga collection ko ng bag. Few of my collection. I don't want to show you the rest of my bags. Meron pa ako sa closet ko, pero I think that's the most bag na mga paborito ko that I'll show you. If you were to ask me about bags, kung worth it bang bilhin ng mga name brand bag, I might say yes, kasi it will last long forever. Not forever, nothing is forever, pero feeling ko worth it siya kasi instead of buying cheaper bag or not name brand bag, at least it will last longer and the value sometimes will go up. So, yun ang kagandahan mga name brand bag. I have a name brand bag before actually. It's the Louis Vuitton Twin. I bought it for $1,500. I used it for 2 years and then after, it's not really my favorite bag. So, what I did, I put it in eBay and guess what? I sold it for as much as I bought it. So, and then I use it. So, diba? I mean, if you buy $100 bag without a name, don't you think na kahit ibenta nyo yun, walang bibili ng $100 ulit. And I'm pretty sure yung quality is different. That's why I like name brand bags. Because if in case someday I decided to get rid of it or ayoko na, then I can sell it maybe not more, but at least the same price. So, yan na mga kabarkada ang aking bag collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe para sa aking mga most updated videos and I'll see you next time. Thank you!